Hello everyone, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful parameter which you can use along with your gcloud command while creating a virtual machine. So without any further delay, let's see this in action. Okay, so here I am in my Google Cloud console. As you can see, let me go to the compute engine and the virtual machine to show you that there is currently no virtual machine being created. So let's open my terminal and let's work from there. So here I am inside my terminal. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to authenticate. So for that command is gcloud auth and login. And it's asking me to log in to my gcloud, Google Cloud, and I'm doing this on my other tab. So it looks like I'm already logged in to my gcloud from my terminal. With that, what I want to do, I want to execute the command to create the virtual machine. So the command for that is gcloud compute instances create and then VM name, which is, and then let's go to the next. This is the parameter which I want to introduce here, which is basically the max run duration. I'm going to explain this very shortly. Let's give this 15 minutes. 15 m means minute. And then another parameter is basically the instance termination action. I'm going to put this as delete and enter. It's asking which zone I should select, so let's enter 50. 50 is basically the Europe West 10 and enter, and it's going to create the, seems like there is some problem with the zone, so let's clear the window. Let's execute the same command again, and this time choose a zone which is belong to US East, so option is 98, so let's choose 98 and enter. And it's trying to create the virtual machine. It is taking some time. Yep, the virtual machine is ready and its status is running. So if I go back here and do a refresh, I should be able to see this is a new virtual machine that is being created and is currently running. The parameter which I introduced is basically this parameter. If I clear it again, the parameter which I introduced is basically the max run duration. So what is basically telling, you can now create a virtual machine and tell that virtual machine will only run for what maximum duration. So this is the parameter which we can specify, and that parameter is basically telling for this duration only the virtual machine will execute. After that, what you want to do, you have two options. Either you can do the delete or you can stop. And that is something you can specify in this parameter, which is basically the instance termination action. So if you, for example, here I'm choosing delete. So it means after 15 minutes, this virtual machine will be deleted. This maximum duration, it supports second, minute, hour, and then day. I think that are the parameters. So if I want to make it a second, I will put S, day means D, hour means H, and day means D. So these are the things that you can pass here, but this parameter is basically a very useful parameter. Why I want to create a video with this parameter, because I recently learned this feature and it's very useful because sometimes we don't have the privilege to get a unlimited credit or unlimited billing inside the console. We normally work with the 300 credit, and if we keep our virtual machine running for a longer time, then it will incur cost. So it's very recommended that every time you do something, you want to practice something, create the virtual machine and delete after the practice. If you forgot to delete after the practice, it will impact your billing. It will incur cost. So it's always recommended that if you are doing a practice with your practice console with 300 credit or limited credit, create virtual machine with this parameter, and where you specify for exactly how long you want this virtual machine to exist. Advantage, even if you forgot, after that time period over, Google Cloud will automatically delete the virtual machine. So there is no impact that you will have an extra cost or extra billing. So let's see that in action. Let's make sure like it's actually getting deleted. So I choose 15 minutes and it's like around 10:45 now. So around 11 a.m. I'll come back and I'll be able to see that the virtual machine should be gone. So I'll come back after 11 a.m. and we'll see whether this virtual machine is automatically getting deleted by Google Cloud or not. So let's see you guys at 11. Okay, so I'm back. It's almost 11. It's 10:59. And if I go to my page, and yeah, it's already gone. So if I refresh this page, I don't see any virtual machine. So this is a way how you can create your virtual machine and put a maximum duration for which you want your virtual machine to run. And also give the option what will happen after that maximum duration hour. Either you can do a stop or you can do a delete. These are the two options that is permitted as of today. So this is a very quick video, but I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel so that you came to know about all my upcoming videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.